Right, so we're using a 404 chain, and what I've found for the sawmill is to take, or to blunten it off, so we're using 0 angle and we're 35 degrees, just taking a fraction. So I've actually found it's easier to see the teeth having the sharpener higher, and it's just a throwback to using auto sharpening circular saws. So I'm used to seeing the teeth, so I find it quite helpful to be able to see the teeth as I go. Make sure they're all done just very fine little bits so we don't burn the tip. The other good thing about this grinder is I've made it so that this head can go on the other side and sharpen small saws. Obviously swap the disc out, be a diamond disc on that, but it just shows you you can have a multi-use tool with the one saw grinder. The big issue with chainsaw mills is they're really hard on the bars, and so a good tool like this to keep the gap correct is very good. And yeah, I know there's nothing in the gap, but we're not too worried about that here. You just need a little gentle action.